Hey there, I'm just your average dreamer with big financial goals. You know, like most of us, I used to worry that I'd never have enough money to take care of my family and myself. Sound familiar? My piggy bank was more like a piggy thimble, if you know what I mean. But then, I heard this piece of advice from a millionaire that stuck with me ever since.
Don't worry about earning millions. Instead, focus on the first $100,000. After that, your net worth will go crazy, man.
At first, I was like, what? Only $100,000? But let me tell you why this is real, and I promise you'll be shocked. You see, aiming for $1 million right away is like trying to move a mountain. It's overwhelming and can paralyze you with fear. But $100,000? That's achievable. It's like the first big step on a magical staircase to wealth. Once you reach it, you've built the habits and knowledge to keep climbing. Think of it as leveling up in a game. At $100,000, you've unlocked new skills and tools that make the next levels easier and faster. So, are you ready to unlock the power of your first $100,000? Let's get started on this incredible journey together. There are two main reasons why the first $100,000 is the hardest to earn. Number one, earning power. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. When you start, you're a newbie with basic skills. Your financial sword is more like a butter knife. But as you gain experience, you become more powerful. Suddenly you're wielding Excalibur. Did you know that Gen Z has 86% less purchasing power than baby boomers did in their 20s? Crazy, right? It's like starting a race with your shoelaces tied together while everyone else has rocket boots. But don't worry, the internet offers amazing opportunities for younger people to make more money than ever before. It's like having a secret passage in the game that the older players never knew about. The second reason is the lack of compound interest. Let me explain with a fun example. Imagine you have a tiny snowball at the top of a mountain. That's your initial investment. As you roll it down, it picks up more and more snow. That, my friend, is compound interest in action. That's why after $100,000, things start to get really exciting. Your financial snowball becomes an unstoppable force. Now let's talk about how to start building that snowball. First, cut unnecessary expenses. It's like trimming the fat off your financial steak. Next, find ways to increase your income. Side hustles, anyone? It's like adding turbo boosters to your money-making machine. Then, start investing early. Even small amounts can grow into something substantial over time. Think of yourself as the guardian of your financial garden. Water it daily, pull out the weeds, and watch it flourish. As you approach that $100,000 mark, you'll notice something incredible happening. Your financial muscles will be stronger, your money-making skills sharper. So don't get overwhelmed by the idea of millions. Focus on that first $100,000, and you'll be amazed at what happens next. Remember, every financial journey starts with a single dollar. You've got this. Now go out there and start rolling your snowball. Your future self will thank you. So, are you ready to level up your financial game? Let's do this.